Here's a great deal on a 2016 Toyota Corolla. This four-door, five-passenger sedan provides exceptional value. It features a continuously variable transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, delay-off headlights, a tachometer, a trip computer, an outside temperature display, and much more. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Toyota ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, and ABS brakes. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.